Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a 3.0 of unboxing the unknown, or opening the unknown. Same thing, or 3.0, you know? That's rad. So let's go ahead and get started. We're back outside because it's nice outside. So yeah. Yes, the last one we filmed, it was cold and rainy. And we don't like cold and rainy days. So today we have waffle mix.
The best waffle mix in the world.
Apparently,
We love it.
yeah, it's my favorite. So I've been guessing all this time. So Golden Malted, if you want to sponsor me, I'm down with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.